In a quiet village nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a man named Kofi. Kofi was a respected farmer, known for his wisdom and hard work. He had a beautiful wife, Amma, who everyone admired. But recently, Kofi began to sense that Amma's affection for him was waning. Whispers and glances from neighbors hinted at a secret she might be hiding. Determined to uncover the truth, Kofi devised a plan. He would pretend to be blind. The news of his sudden blindness spread quickly through the village, evoking sympathy and concern from everyone, including Amma. She took on the role of a caring wife, guiding him through the day and helping him with his tasks. But as the days went by, Kofi noticed that Amma would leave him alone for long periods. One evening, Amma told Kofi that she was going to visit her sick friend. Kofi, suspecting this was another of her rendezvous, waited until she left. With careful steps, he followed her, guided by the sounds and scents of the night. He saw Amma meet a man by the old baobab tree, a place they used to call their own special spot. Heartbroken, but resolute, Kofi returned home and awaited Amma's return. When she came back, he pretended to be asleep. The next morning, he confronted her. "Amma, though my eyes do not see, my heart sees clearly. I know of your betrayal." Amma was stunned and ashamed, realizing the depth of her husband's love and the extent of her deception. She fell to her knees, begging for forgiveness. Kofi, with tears in his eyes, told her, "Trust, once broken, is hard to mend. But I will try, for the sake of the love we once had." The village soon learned of Kofi's clever ruse, and he became even more respected for his wisdom. Amma, filled with remorse, dedicated herself to earning back Kofi's trust. Over time, they rebuilt their relationship, stronger and more honest than before. And so, the tale of Kofi and Amma became a lesson for all, a story of love, deceit, and the power of forgiveness.